AAP MPs to protest in Parliament against bulldozer action in Delhi. New Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party, AAP. Members of Parliament are set to stage a protest in the House today against the BJP-led government's ongoing bulldozer operations in the national capital. The protest comes in response to recent demolitions targeting the homes and livelihoods of the urban poor across various parts of Delhi. AAP leaders have accused the government of insensitivity and political vendetta, claiming that the demolitions have displaced hundreds of families without proper rehabilitation. The party has demanded an immediate halt to the drive and a fair policy for those affected.